Hello, how are you? Yes, new glasses. No, did not mean to match my shirt, but kind of looks cool, doesn't it? Quick Wix tutorial from 3Page Plus. Yes, we build Wix websites, so you don't have to, but in case you are, that's why we do tutorials. A lot of questions on this one is page backgrounds. People are confused. How do you change the page background, image, color? What about the header? What about the footer? That's what we are covering today. So with no further ado, here you go. Hello everybody, welcome back to Quick Wix Tutorials by 3Page Plus. Today we are talking page backgrounds, colors and images. So it can be a little confusing with Wix at times because a page can actually consist of three backgrounds. There's the page background, which covers the whole thing, but then there's also a header background and a footer background. If there's a header and a footer background set, that'll supersede the page background. So on this page, there's actually three backgrounds. There's a header background, a page background, and a footer background. Now, to me, this template is a little dark, and Scott's Sushi is going to be a very cheerful place to come, so I want a nice, clean, white background. So the first thing I need to do is get rid of the header background. So I click the header, I hit Change Design. Now you can just scroll through these and see all the headers you'll get and all that kind of good stuff. But what I want to do is I want to customize the design, and I want to scroll to no header at all. None. There we go. Now you can see the page background actually goes to the header. We'll take care of that in a second. Now I go to the footer. I want to change the footer background. I want to get rid of that. So I click that. I change the footer design. And I can do the same thing. I can scroll through. So right now, you see right now it's set to this color, but you can see a little coming through. That's because if I customize the design and I hit opacity, it's set for 50% color. So that'll show a little bit of the page background, but mostly just the color. But again, I don't want any background. So I click through till I find none, none, and there's the page background shining through. Now, as I said, I don't want a page background. I want a nice, clean, white background. So I click the middle of the site, change page background. Oh yeah, bananas. Oh, no, I just want a color. So I do color. I do nice and bright white. Oh, look at that. It's beautiful. I close that. I close that. And you're saying, whoa, where's all the footer text and where's the navigation? Well, my friends, they were set in white. So in the next lesson, we're going to set a color scheme. Since my logo is blue, get rid of that. My logo is blue and black. But the default template's kind of this greenish and this darkness. So next tutorial, we'll be changing the color scheme and the fonts and all that kind of fun stuff. So come on back to Quick Wix, brought to you by 3Page Plus. Have a wonderful day. See ya.